Now, from your business, you have to link up with a tax agent through the Australian Taxation Office. Since November 2023, the process has been modified so that tax agents can access your business information. This is a new process that can be done directly online. All tax agents must officially provide their tax agent number in order to be nominated by a client. This method works to protect your personal information, including your ABN and TFN, as only you decide which agent to nominate to access your accounts. To complete the process, you must follow the instructions published by the Australian Taxation Office. You can Google it as Client to Agent Linking Step, or click the link below. It's important to note that this process is necessary exclusively for businesses and companies. Those who work as sole traders do not need to do it. If any issues arise, don't hesitate to contact the Australian Taxation Office to resolve them.